Echoes beneath the waves. An animated journey into the hidden impact of plastic pollution on marine life and youth-driven environmental change. Where does plastic really go after we throw it away? Every year, humans produce over 400 million tons of plastic worldwide. A large portion is used only once before being thrown away. Do we really need single-use plastic? Light plastic doesn't stay in one place. It can travel across cities, carried by wind and weather. Scientists have even found plastic in remote mountains and isolated islands. How far can plastic travel? When it rains, waste on the streets is washed into drains. These drains lead directly to rivers, which act as pathways to the ocean. About 80% of ocean plastic comes from land-based sources. Where does our waste really end up? What begins in our cities ends in the sea. Every year, an estimated 11 million tons of plastic enter the ocean. And without action, this number is expected to increase significantly in the coming decades. Can the ocean absorb all of this waste? To marine life, plastic can be confusing. A floating bag can look like a jellyfish. Sea turtles, seabirds, and fish often mistake plastic for food. What happens when nature mistakes plastic for food? Over 800 marine species are affected by plastic pollution. Some are injured internally. Others are found stranded on shore. This is not a rare event anymore. It is becoming part of our reality. How many lives are we affecting underwater? Plastic pollution is not limited to one country. It moves through ocean currents, forming massive pollution zones across the globe. One of the largest is known as the Great Pacific Garbage Patch. How big is the plastic problem globally? Plastic doesn't disappear. It breaks down into microplastics, pieces smaller than 5 millimeters. These particles are now found in oceans, soil, and even the air we breathe. Can something invisible still harm us? Microplastics enter the food chain. Fish consume them, and humans consume those fish. Studies have found microplastics in seafood, salt, and drinking water. What are we unknowingly consuming? But awareness is growing. Scientists, educators, and students are learning more about plastic pollution every day. Education is the first step toward change. Can knowledge change the future? The ocean is not separate from us. It is connected to everything we do. The ocean gives us life. What do we give back? All around the world, young people are taking action. From beach cleanups to reducing single-use plastics, small steps are creating visible change. Can small actions make a big difference? The ocean can recover, but only if we choose to act. It will not change in a day. But every choice matters, because the future of the ocean depends on us. What kind of ocean will we leave behind?